Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to open a Ford F-150 hood. First, you'll need to find the hood release lever. It's typically located on the driver's side, usually below the dashboard near the door. Once you've found it, give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click, and the hood will pop up just a little bit, indicating it's unlatched. Now that the hood is slightly open, you'll need to locate the secondary safety latch. Gently reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, right above the grille. You'll feel a small lever or tab. Depending on your specific model, you might need to push it to one side or pull it up. This action will fully release the hood. With the secondary latch released, you can now lift the hood all the way open. Use both hands for a steady lift. Once it's up, look for the hood prop rod, usually found clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Take the rod and securely insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame to keep the hood safely open. To close the hood, first carefully remove the prop rod from its slot and secure it back in its original clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 12 inches from fully closing. From this height, let the hood drop. Its own weight should be enough to latch it securely. Give it a gentle push down to ensure it's fully closed. Don't forget to check the description for smart speaker deals and other great offers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.